Hi, welcome to Simply Scrapping. Today is day 13 of the 30 days of sketches with Christy's Beautiful Life, and today's sketch is brought to you by Vikki Taguinod. I'm sorry, that is butchered, that name. I don't know how to pronounce it. Taguinod, I don't know. Taguinod, anyway. Sorry, Vikki. My sincerest apologies. I'm really bad at names, but there you go. This is her beautiful sketch. Really, really pretty sketch. Alright, so what am I using? First of all, these are the photos that I'm scrapping. So these are me in the 1990s, I think. Definitely 1990s. Dressed up to go to, I think it was a cousin's wedding. And I had met my then-to-be husband online in a chat group, and we were just chatting, and he said, I don't know what you look like, I'd like a photo. And this is when it was all innocent online, like not like these days. If my kids met someone online these days, it'd be not happening. But back then it was safer. There wasn't the trolls in the rooms, there wasn't the weirdos, all that sort of stuff. That, or I was just really lucky. And anyway, so I asked my dad to take a photo of me so I can send to this guy. I didn't tell him at the time I could send the photos to this guy because he was quite strict and he would have had a heart attack and he would not have let me do it. But anyway, so yeah, so I sent him these photos. So that's what the story of this page is going to be, how we had been chatting online for probably 12 months or more, and then decided, well, we get along quite okay, let's meet, but before we meet I want a photo, type of thing. So I put a lot of trust in that process, you know, so did he. But anyway, it worked out in the end. We've been married for 25 years just gone, so 2 beautiful kids, so obviously it worked. Anyway, they are the photos. These are the papers that I am scrapping. Now I've already gone through a lot of these because I have used quite a bit, so I wasn't sure I had enough left to fit the sketch, but I do. So I'm using those two as my main papers on a pink backing. And then, like yesterday's, was it yesterday's page? I can't remember, they're all blurred together now. There was one that I've done recently using the cakewalk for October afternoon, and I used all the stickers from, well, not all the stickers, the only embellishments I used was from the sticker sheet, and I plan to do the same today because there's a lot on here. I have banners to choose from. There's banners on the sketch. I think I have my title picked out. There's flowers for embellishments. There's a second page of stickers. There's stuff on here that I can use as well. And then I have some cut aparts. And then there's a third page of stickers. So lots and lots of stickers. I couldn't think of a heading that I could use the words for, like the letter stickers for. I just couldn't come up with a heading. So I'm going to use a couple of the stickers to make my heading. And then I have this page of tickets, which I absolutely adore. And there's one on here that where is it? Time flies, because that's, you know, it's been 25 years and this worked, this meeting online worked. The sweet moment, our love, there's a lot on here that work with the story. So if there's not a sticker for some of these, then I will cut these out and use these. And then I've just got lots of scraps that are left from when I've used this range in the past. So there you go. That is what I'm doing. That is what I have to use. Oh, my embellishments, or my finishing touches, as Janet calls them on RTS, is these Free Spirit enamel dots. I've got 2 half rows of the pale pink and the darker pink, so I think I might use them. Oh, I've got navy blue as well, so that sort of all goes with this range. So we'll see what I use, okay? So I'm going to get this page started. Okay, there's my layout. Nice and easy and quick. All I did was, for the embellishments, is use the stickers off that sticker sheet, cut out one tag, and then added the enamel shapes, and that is it. The layout is done, and it pretty much represents the sketch. As always, my journaling will be on the back in a little pull-out card in a little envelope, and yeah, that's it. Nice and quick and easy. Thank you for watching. If you've liked this video or this page, give me the thumbs up. If you're not a subscriber, please consider subscribing. Hit that notify bell so you know when my next video comes out, and make sure you watch everyone in the playlist listed below to see what everyone else is doing with these amazing sketches. Thank you so much for watching, and have a scrap happy day. Bye bye.